beginnings of the flower pot assignment. This is actually going to be a seedling size effort. However, it will demonstrate that the concepts have been correctly applied. More later. Okay, starting the brim. So we're getting close to being done. And we'll finish this video up when the pot is complete. Okay, the flower pot is just about done, or I should say the seedling pot is just about done. And here we go. The finished product. Still don't like the fact that it puts the seam in the same place vertically in the project every time. But again, I haven't explored Cura settings, and that may be the issue. But other than that, a little stringing going on there. I think that that's a successful print.